In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task in Lark. By the end, you'll know the simplest way to set up a task list and add tasks with all the key details, so your work stays organized and easy to track. First, open Lark. You can use either the desktop or mobile app, or go through the web version in your browser. The process is the same, and the interface is designed to be consistent, so choose whatever you're most comfortable with. Next, head into Docs or Base. Docs is great if you like a document-first workspace, while Base is Lark's database-style area that's perfect for structured lists. Either way, you'll have access to tables where tasks live neatly in rows, making them easy to scan and manage. Now it's time to create your task list. Click New, then choose Base or Table to start from a blank grid. If you prefer a faster setup with best practice fields already included, pick the to-do list template. Templates are helpful because they come with common fields like status, priority, and deadlines, which means you can focus on your work instead of building from scratch. If you do start blank, don't worry, you can always add or rename fields later to match your workflow. With your list open, add a new task by clicking the option labeled plus add record or plus add row. This creates a fresh line in your table, ready for details. Think of each row as a single task card that can hold all the information your team needs. Enter the task details. Start with a clear, action-oriented task name so everyone instantly understands the goal. Assign the task to the right person by selecting an assignee. This links the task to a teammate and helps with accountability. Set a due date using the date picker. Picking a specific date makes planning easier and keeps your schedule realistic. Finally, set a priority level, like high, medium, or low, so it's obvious what needs attention first. If you used a template, you'll likely see a status field as well, which can help show progress at a glance. When you're done, your task is automatically saved. Lark tracks it in your list alongside other fields, so you can come back anytime and see exactly what's due, who's responsible, and how urgent it is. That's all there is to it. Open Lark, go to Docs or Base, create a task list, add a row, fill in the essentials, and you're set.